Hi, I'm Bruce, and this is Dish Machine 101 with CleanseTech. Today we're going to talk about the CMA 180 under-the-counter dishwashing machine. This machine has a lot of advantages over some of the well-known brands, the other ones, such as it has an electromechanical timer to it. It does not have any computerized circuit boards. Can you imagine what it would be like if you clogged all the air vents on the computer? How long do you think it would run before it would overheat? You will never get that type of problem on a machine like this. So we use two types of detergents on the machine. One is actually a detergent, that's our cleaning. As you see, it's a red tube with a red top to the container so you can't mix it up. And again, you see the red tube coming out the bottom, so we know it's not in the middle here or pulled out accidentally, and it will feed correctly. This container is opened correctly because this way, in case any liquid gets on top of the container, it's going to fall off onto the floor before it has a chance to go into the container. It's more important for that feature on the rinsing fluid because we don't want any contamination of the rinse by dirty water. So again, the spout is up in the air and anything building up on here is just going to go onto the floor. We check the tube to make sure we have the tube going all the way down to the bottom, which we do, so we know it's perfect. This is our rinsing chemical. This is called Bone Dry. We use two chemicals here because the machine will provide 180 degrees for sanitizing purposes. The machine has a very unique feature to it. If you do not have the sanitizing temperature, the machine will delay the cycle and it will wait until it has a chance to build the temperature up itself and produce the 180 for you, and then it will continue the cycle. Second of all, the machine has what we call a pump drain, where it drains into a standpipe. So that means that you can drain to something higher in the air. It also has a scrap basket that cleans, so you can clean the machine while you're working the machine. Let's take a look at the inside first. We've got the rinse arm, and you have a wash arm. Now the wash arm is very easily removable by unscrewing it. It comes out real easy, and what you would do is you would take the caps out. The wash arm cap comes right out. You would take a fork or a knife and push the dirt back into the arm again, and then very simply use your spray hose and flush some water in here and right through the arm and out, and you can clean the arm that way. When you're done, you put the cap back in place again and it goes right back into the machine. Now the rinse arms come out the same way. Take off the caps on the end and flush the arm completely clean. We also have a scrap basket inside here that's got to be done after every meal. Lift the scrap basket out, dump it out, flush it, clean it, and then put it back into the machine. In order to get clean glasses, we have an upper arm, so it forms a cross spray. It sprays downward and it sprays up at the same time, so you get all areas of the glass. It's a very good machine for cleaning glasses. Putting it back in and assembling it is very simple. It goes in like this, and the rinse arm screws right in place. Give it a spin, and we're home free. Let's fire the machine up and show how it works. Take the power switch, turn the power switch on. We're going to press and hold this for a couple of seconds until the machine gives the initial fill. You only have to fill the machine once because after the first fill, it will maintain the water levels automatically in it for you. Okay, the machine has reached washing temperature. It brought the water temperature finally up to 160 degrees, and we want a wash temperature of 150 to 160, and our rinse temperature should be 180 to 195, and that'll come on during the rinsing cycle. So let's start a cycle here. I'm going to press the button to start a cycle, and we'll watch what happens. It's a very powerful motor. You can hear it. You get an excellent wash out of this machine. We're rinsing at about 185 degrees, which is well into the Board of Health temperature rating. And as you can see, this machine gives sanitizing temperatures, and it'll do a great job for you. I'm Bruce. This has been CleanseTech's Dish Machine 101.